How to add PDF in Shopify. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Shopify website right here. And then once you're now here, the first thing that we need to do is to go here on the left screen and then click the content, which is right here. So just click that. And then under the content, click the files. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just click upload files right there and then upload your PDF that you want to use. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this PDF right here, and then let's wait for it to finish. Now, while it is uploading, currently Shopify has an ongoing deal right now wherein you will only need to pay about $1 for the first 3 months. So if you want to avail that deal right now, all you have to do is to go down below the description box or the pinned comment section. So there will be a link right there, which will redirect you into this page. Now going back into our video. So once you're now here, once it is uploaded, the next thing that we need to do is to copy the link, which is right there. And then the next thing that we need to do is, let's say for example, that we want to add this PDF to our product. So just click your product right there. And then in this part, just choose the product that you want to use. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this t-shirt. So just click that. And then in this part, the next thing that we need to do is to just go here and under the description, you can put the link right there. So just say, click this link right here, and then just paste your link right there. And then once they click that, they will now be able to see the PDF. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to add PDF in Shopify.